there is one exercise that is absolutely king for blowing up your triceps, and I'm going to show it to you right now.
Here we have the eccentric skull crusher. With this position of our arms, we'll emphasize targeting of the largest head of the triceps, the long head, an often neglected head in most tricep routines. In fact, the heavy focus on the single head alone has resulted in almost inhuman triceps growth for me personally. To begin, lie down on either a bench or the floor with both dumbbells gripped in a neutral position, palms facing together. Begin by hinging at your elbow and bring the dumbbells down for 2 to 3 seconds on the negative while lowering the weight, and tap the tops of your shoulders with the dumbbells. This increased time under tension allows us to stimulate a significantly greater amount of micromuscle tears that your body will repair and grow bigger, resulting in larger triceps. This makes this exercise so much more better than a traditional skull crusher or any other traditional exercise. Keeping your upper arm locked in position, contract and flex your triceps as you extend your arms to bring the dumbbells back to the top. Ensure you're not keeping the arms in a locked position at the top and resting for a second or two. This will release the load from the triceps. Instead, once you've reached the top of the movement, immediately begin lowering the weight again. The key to unlocking the massive power of this exercise is to 1. Focus on maintaining a 2 to 3 second negative, and 2. Pushing to failure by the last 1 to 2 repetitions. Common mistake to avoid is the movement of the upper arm that turns this exercise into more of a press. This will relieve the triceps of a majority of the load and activate your anterior deltoid to assist on the movement. Strict form, intensity, and pushing to failure will result in explosive tricep growth. For maximal results, place the eccentric skull crusher at the beginning of your triceps routine and perform for 4 sets of 10 repetitions.
I made you guys a free shredding recipe book. It's called the Barbarian Shredding Recipe Book Lite. If you want to grab that, there's a link in the description. Absolutely free. Figured I'd hook you up. Now, if you're looking to blow up your chest and triceps, they go together, check out this video right here.